In this video, we are going to learn about ionic equilibrium. What does it mean by ionic equilibrium? It is the equilibrium established between the ionized molecules with the ions in the solutions. Many reactions in aqueous solutions involve strong acids or weak acids, or strong bases or weak bases, or slightly soluble substances. And in such cases, one or more equilibria are achieved within that solution. So, however, before we proceed further, we have to know first the definitions of acids and bases according to different theory. Okay, for the first one is the Arrhenius theory, where acids are defined as the substances that dissociates in water to produce proton ions or H+, where Ha dissociates into H+ and A-. Okay, and then bases are defined as the substances that can be ionized in water to produce hydroxide ions. In this example, you have MOH ionized to form M+ and OH-. Second theory is from Bronsted-Lowry theory, where acids are defined as the substances that can donate a proton H+ to a base, while the bases are substances that can accept a proton H+ from an acid. Let's take a look at example here, where you have He plus B- and producing Hb plus A-. A base can be a negative or base can be a neutral molecule. Here is we have hydrochloric acids and H2O as the base, and the H+ or the proton from acid will donate to the base to form H3O plus or the conjugate acid, while the Cl- Cl has become Cl- since it donates its proton to a base, so it's become a conjugate base. Okay, so the third theory is about Lewis theory, where acids are defined as the substances that can accept a pair of non-bonding electrons, also known as electron pair acceptor, while bases are substances that can donate a pair of non-bonding electrons, also known as electron pair donor. Okay, take a look at here example. You have acids and bases OH-, where you have one lone pair is being donated to the acid, so you will form a water molecule. In another example here, you have acid and ammonia, where you have one lone pair here to donate all of its lone pair to the acids and forming a dative covalent bond such as ammonium ion.